Hello, my name is Sudhanshu and I am giving the video confirmation of the front-end skill test of Superhero Hunter. So here is the index file of the Superhero Hunter which I have prepared. As you can see the title of the index file and then the assets where I have saved the JavaScript file of this and also the CSS file. So initially I have just made a background image and a division class in which establishes no characters found. If we search on the that page and if no characters found, it will show as no character found, and if characters found, then it will show the list. And other than show the list, it will show the different option of list available there, different comics, different movies. And and when clicks on the favorite, it will list to the favorite option. When we add and when we wanted to add if something in favorite, it will be going to the favorite option. So here is the favorite button, and here is where we have the home button, which where we wanted to add, and so we can add the home button. Here is the background images, and if nothing found, we can, it's saying that we can search there and we can add the portions there. So if we come to the main.js file, here I have derived an APK file from here. As you can see, my private key is there and my public key is here. You can check it out here. Yeah, you can see I have derived my public key and private key here, and through this I have derived my hash key. Using this public and private key, I have derived my hash key, and which I have used here. Yeah, this is the APK, and here is the hash key which I have derived. Then I have used that if user data is come out to be something, then display nothing, or if it's come out something, it should display the part, and then we can add the box. Here is the images that I have add, this plus images which is used to add it there. Sorry, yeah, here it is the plus images which is used to add to the favorite button, and here is it is a thumbnail which is the pictures of the images or the comics or the movies which we can add. Then the next come to the favorite, and in the favorite we have again used the same APK my key, and here whatever files we have stored there, it will be stored in our local storage. That means it will be saved. Even though we refresh, it will be still be there, and then we can just render these favorite characters there whenever we want. And it has, since it has been stored as data, so it will be stored in their thumbnails, and there we can just go for the more info button. If we want for more information, we can click on the more info button, and that will lead us to the next page. And here is the main more info button. Yeah, here is the more info, and if we want in the more info button, we can just use the character ID and the data, whatever we want. And that's it about the part. When we come to the favorite.html, since we have used the favorite.html, it will be as it is. Now I will show the demo of this file. Here is a demo, my overall view. If you just search for Iron Man, let's say, here is saying that no search found. Since it's this search is somewhat precise, it is uppercase, or you can say precisely. So we can go for Iron Man. So we can see the Iron Man here. We can just add it to the favorite here. And when we click on the favorite, we can see Iron Man here. Yeah, here is the Iron Man. So when we click on more info, it will tell us the information about the Iron Man, as you can see here. Now, if we want to go to home, we can go to home. If you want to go to favorite, we can go to favorite. So we can go back to favorite from here. And when we click on home, we can go back to home. And also, if you want to remove it from favorite, we can just delete it too. So the favorite has been removed from here. So that's it. This is all about my project. Thanks a lot.